Hi, my name is Jumeirah and I got veneers on my laterals here. My story started off, I think, about almost 10 years ago whenever I got braces and my orthodontist left room because my laterals were so small. My dentist left room in my middle teeth and my front teeth to be able to have veneers eventually on those laterals. And we took our time, and so every time we came in, there was such attention to detail, like closing that gap and then shaping the teeth perfectly. So I went in the first time to try on the trial veneers. There was such attention to detail to the color of the tooth because my teeth have 3 different colors, and it was a hard process as well because I wasn't redoing my front teeth. So just recreating the natural color of my teeth perfectly, it was amazing. No one can tell that I got veneers. And then shaping the teeth was also, they're just perfect. They fit perfectly in my mouth. And then I came back for another appointment to see how my veneers have fit in my mouth and if there's anything bothering me, like my bites and stuff. So we fixed that. And it was truly an amazing experience and I'm very happy now. So I really recommend this clinic. All throughout my experience here, everybody, from the second you walk into the building, everybody is just so welcoming and everybody wants to help you. So also during this process, not only did Dr. Ahmed help me, but he also had the staff from the labs come up and see with their own eyes the patient and really build that personal connection. So with the lab staff and himself. And so they got to see my teeth themselves instead of just putting it, on a spreadsheet and sending it down. So there's really a personal relationship between the staff and the patient. I've just been so happy with my results because they've wanted to help me so much. And then you can also tell the energy in the office, at the clinic, is just, everybody loves to work together and it's just a happy environment. I would really recommend it.